Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I'm doing a super quick video today on tow hooks. Basically wanted to just show you guys the two different style of tow hooks for the ZL1. One of them is I think it's slightly more unique basically once I found out it kind of had a secondary use, but wanted to go into the two different tow hooks for the Camaro ZL1. I'm pretty sure these do, this will fit the 1LE as well. I remember when I did order, though, I did have to distinguish whether it was a standard Camaro SS or if it was the ZL1 or the 1LE, and I'm pretty sure that's it's just due to the length or the depth maybe of the grill, basically. So what we have in front of us here essentially are the two Camaro ZL1/1LE tow hook styles. They're both from ZL1 add-ons, which is a pretty cool place. They got lots of cool stuff for the ZL1 and the Camaros as well. The two different styles, we've got the I guess the standard style, which is just you've got the bar basically, and then you got the hook just hangs down. All right, it does tend to hang down. It doesn't have a whole lot of resistance basically. Now the reason I went with the GT4 style, that's what this is called, the GT4 style Camaro ZL1 tow hook, was number one, it's not limp. Okay, you get less of the chipping on the front. It's a minor detail basically. You don't get some of the scratching and the damaging like you get on this. If I turn it over, not so bad, because this is the side I didn't have it facing outward basically. It was this, so less of the chipping. The second thing, and this is actually the coolest thing, actually let's go into there's three things total. Let me leave the best for the last. The second thing I do like about it is the fact that when I get this thing into the bumper, this thing never lines up straight. All right, it did at one point. I tried to play around with the adjustment here. Every time I would, the fucking thing would be uneven. It would be kiltered, off kilter, off to the side. I had the same issue with my ISF. I know you can play around with this thing. I decided basically just to look at something different, and I found this one. Now this is the GT4 style. It does not hang down. It stays straight out. So again, less damage to the face. I like the fact that it's a little bit lighter. It's a very minor thing basically. But the main thing, and this is actually the main reason I'm doing the video, is to show people that once the bar is in and it's mounted straight out like that, the cool thing is that if you've got a gap in the top, you can easily mount a secondary ring that also comes from ZL1 add-ons, and it allows you to mount a GoPro right in the center of the tow hook. That's the main reason I switched over by far, primarily. I mean, talk about cool footage. You've got the GoPro sitting literally right in the center, left portion of the bumper. I'm going to Auto Club in about a week, and we're going to be entering turn one at probably 155, 154 miles an hour. So having the GoPro that low, you just get some pretty cool footage. Now the other cool thing too is because again it's just a ring. Let me show you this here. It's just a ring. The cool thing is you can mount the GoPro facing upward or down if you want, basically, to get even a lower kind of a lower view. So it's kind of neat. I'm pretty sure the price was about the same, both about I think 160 bucks, something like that. So it, like I said, just if I'm gonna have to have, if I want to have a tow hook, for track days, that kind of thing, basically, why not have it for a secondary purpose and also capture some pretty cool footage from the very front of the car. So again, just want to do the quick video, you guys, show you just the secondary style. I wasn't aware that this was even available. I saw them on other Camaros, Instagram, that kind of thing, so even at track days. I purchased this from Wild Hammer Motorsports, even though it is a ZL1 add-on part. But they have them in stock basically, and even have them in different colors, which is actually kind of cool. If you don't want the red, you can do black. So very neat. But like I said, primarily the cool thing is that you can mount the camera from both sides. So if you want to go low, you can go low. You want to go a little bit higher, you can go a little bit higher. But the cool thing is you got footage from the very front of the car. Awesome. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And again, if you guys do like the video, go ahead and smash subscribe. There will be more videos coming very soon, especially with a trip to Auto Club Speedway in California next week. So there's some pretty cool footage coming up soon here. And again, Wild Hammer Motorsports do carry these in stock, and they do have them in different colors. You guys take care. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Just back really quick, you guys. I just wanted to show you the placement of the GoPro. Basically sits on top here. It comes with two different pieces, one for top and bottom, that will allow you to mount the GoPro. Basically, you got pieces that go flush underneath and on top as well. The screw pops through the top piece, and you've got a mounting point. This comes with the kit itself, this piece here at the bottom. and that allows you basically to mount. It allows you, whoops, allows you to mount the GoPro right on top, so it'll be straight ahead. You can angle it forward and back. I wanted to test fit it just to make sure that it cleared the top of the grill, and it does. It's I'm very impressed with this. This is absolutely worth the extra expense basically in buying a second tow hook. Even if it's honestly just for filming and recording, this is awesome.